All right, let's go ahead and start another problem. Let's get it started. So looks like on this topology, we're gonna need to configure VLANs as well as a voice VLAN on a IP phone. And it looks like they also want us to disable CDP. So Cisco Discovery. All right. Let's go ahead and get this started. Make sure. So they got VLAN 12 is named compute and 34 is telephony. Okay. Looks like we're gonna do this from scratch. Yep. Here we go. So on both switches, T. So VLAN 12 name is compute. VLAN 34 name is telephony. There we go. And now it says on switch to use the existing. So it looks like we're going to manually configure that one too. And assign it to, yeah. So this is what we're going to do on this one to get this out the way. Task 2. So first things first, VLAN 12, name is compute. VLAN 34, name is telephony. And VLAN, we'll call this one, we'll just say 14. And we'll name it available. Do show VLAN brief. So you can see we have 3 VLANs. Do show IP interface brief. So you can see the 2 interfaces we have up. So in this case, this would be our interface 1 as compared to the topology over here. So just to verify. So over here, we'll go ahead and get this started. So interface FA. Let me go ahead and close Telegram. No, wait, it's cool. Need to mute those notifications. So switch port, access VLAN. That was 14. So do show VLAN brief. There you go. You can see we have assigned that. So that is task 2. Done. Check the connection between the switches using access ports. All right. And then wait. Let's also see. It says we need to configure a connection between the switches. So it looks like we're using VLAN 12. Okay. So in this case, interface FA01, switch port access VLAN 12. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Interface FA1, switch port access VLAN 12. There we go. So that's task is done. So that's task 3. So now we need to go to 4. We need to configure data and voice VLANs over here. All right. So that means that on this interface, FA2, we got a VLAN mismatch. Let's see, native VLAN mismatch. This one is 12 over here. But over here is 1. So wait. So do show VLAN brief. Do show VLAN brief. Over here we don't have available. So interface, let's see. 12. So let's go ahead and get that fixed over here. Switch port. So interface sure I did it right. So that's 2. Oh, wait, no, it's good. That's good. Okay, just making sure. I was about to say. Okay, so we need to configure on this one. This would be FA2. So on this one, so FA2, switch port, access. So we need to do switch port, and I'll show you. So this one, voice, would be telephony, VLAN 34. And then switch port, access, VLAN 12. There you go. Do show VLAN brief. And if we do show run, you can see we have configured the access VLAN is 12 and the voice VLAN is 34 for the IP phone. There you go. And for our last task, we need to configure on switch 2. We need to disable, or you can discover it. So that would be FA2 over here. So over here, we need to go to interface, fast Ethernet 2, CDP run, do CDP run. Wait, no, it's just CDP run. CDP run. There you go. So you can see the CDP is running. And now here we just do no CDP enable. I did it wrong. So no CDP run. Do shall run. I see I'm tripping. So CDP run interface. So interface FA0/2 CDP. Don't know. CDP. I said it wrong. CDP enable. There you go. So do shall run. Because remember, so now on the interface right here, we have no CDP run. Because we don't want to disable it globally just for that specific interface. So accidentally. But that's why you got to make sure you pay attention to the question. And let's check, make sure. Yep, those are all of our tasks completed. So let's go ahead and save. So do copy running config startup config. Go ahead and save that. And over here, same thing. Do copy running config startup config. And there we go. So it looks like we've completed all our tasks for this assignment. And yeah, thanks for watching.